Intermittent fasting is a great tool for weight loss, burning fat, and controlling your blood insulin levels. And it also boosts your natural growth hormone. It's something that I implement in my own life as much as possible, fasting for 16 hours while eating in an 8-hour feeding window. But every couple months I like to implement a 24-hour fast, kind of just to clean the body out. And there's a lot of benefits to a 24 to 48 hour fast. So I'm going to do a 24-hour fast and take you through my day, explaining at each step what's going on. So I'm at home, it's evening, I just finished eating, fed the dog. So I think I'm going to start my fast right now. The only thing we're going to be consuming during this fast is water and black coffee. Hey Google, start a timer for 24 hours.
1 day, starting now.
So it's close to 8 a.m. right now. I'm dying for a cup of coffee. The reason we're allowed to drink black coffee during a fast is because each cup has about 6 to 8 calories in it. That's not enough energy for our body to get out of the fasted state. While I was sleeping in that 4 to 8 hour mark, all the food had left my stomach. Blood sugars start to fall and the body has stopped releasing insulin. Insulin's a hormone that comes from the pancreas and it is released anytime there's blood sugar present. See, whenever we take in carbs or anything else that turns into glucose, our body has to release insulin into the body to be able to get that glucose and store it or use it properly. Now, the issue we have in society today is that most people's pancreas are working overtime, releasing so much insulin into the blood that they oftentimes fail. And this is when type 2 diabetes is developed. All you need to know is the more times that your body's not producing insulin, the better off you are. And now that we're at the 12-hour mark, all the food I had consumed has already been burned, my digestive system has gone to sleep, and the body's really beginning the healing process. Been secreting human growth hormone into the body, as well as glucagon, to help balance blood sugars. You see, human growth hormone and glucagon are called counter-regulatory hormones. So whenever there's an absence of insulin, these hormones are present, which is really good because this is a great way to boost your natural human growth hormone, at least in the short term. Any bit is helpful. So my plans now is to finish this coffee and head to the gym. It's super slick outside in this Canadian winter, so it might be a bit of a trek, but hey, we needed an adventure today. So I finished up in the gym. It's probably my third time back. I actually broke my hand 9 weeks ago, so trying to get back into things. A little update, it is just after 10 a.m. So we're at about the 14-hour mark. Now at this point, my body has switched to using fat stores for energy. And my human growth hormone is starting to increase dramatically. So this is a great part of the day. Appetite's pretty low right now. We'll go get some water in me to make sure that doesn't change, but we're really making good progress through this.
Good boy. Good boy.
We're at the 16-18 hour mark. This is when our body really starts to kick into the fat burning mode and our human growth hormone is starting to skyrocket. This is part of the day where you get pretty hungry, but it's good to burn some energy with the little guy. Hey Google, turn off the timer. There you have it. Finished a 24-hour fast. And in that time, my body has not created insulin in the past 16 hours. We used body fat for fuel, increased our human growth hormone, and actually about this time, the body starts to go into autophagy. This is where it starts to clean out the old cells out of the body. All really great stuff. Something that I would highly recommend people try out and at least give it a try once or twice. And if you could start implementing this into your weekly or monthly routine, I think that would really give you some great benefits in your weight loss journey. Now let's eat.